I'm Brian DeLuca and this is eDesign It. Today we're talking all about LEDs. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. Light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, have revolutionized the way we light the world. From the tiny indicators on your electronic devices to the giant screens on sports arenas, LEDs have become pretty much indispensable in everywhere we go. But what exactly are LEDs? LEDs are semiconductor devices that emit light when current passes through them. The core of the LED is a material known as a semiconductor, which is made of silicon. The color of the light of the LED depends on what the material being used is made of. The colors can range from red to green to blue to even ultraviolet. One of the biggest advantages of LEDs is their efficiency. Traditional incandescent bulbs actually use a lot of their energy to create heat, where basically LEDs just use that energy to create light. Now, LEDs come in a variety of sizes and colors, from tiny surface mount LEDs used in electronics to bigger LEDs that are used in things such as streetlights. The color depends on the material used in the actual semiconductor material itself. One of the earliest uses for LEDs is in electronic indicators, which totally makes sense considering they're an electronic component. Now you can find LEDs everywhere. LED screens are now standard in televisions, computer monitors, and mobile devices, offering brighter, clearer images. LEDs have made a lot of strides and have just gone from mere indicator lights to being used in pretty much every screen device that's being produced. For more on basic electronics, make sure you like and follow eDesign It, and remember, for more information on electronics, to visit edesignit.com.